Namaste. In the 19th episode of Songbook for the Self, we will be listening to Tiruppavai Pasuram number 15, Yelle Ilankiliye. The Divya Desam that is being connected to this Pasuram by Kanchi Swami is Thiruvallikeni. This Divya Kshetram is located in the city of Chennai in Thiruvallikeni. The Moolavar is Parthasarathi, also called Venkatakrishnan in a standing posture, and the Tayar is Vedavalli Tayar. The Tirtham is Kairavinisaras, also called Allikeni. The Vimanam is Ananda Vimanam. The Alli flowers in the temple tank lend the name Allikeni. In the main sanctum, besides the Moolavar, there are also Vigrahas of Rukmini, Balarama, Satyaki, Aniruddha and Pradyumna. This particular Kshetram is the only one which depicts the images of the family of Lord Krishna in the sanctum. The Utsava Vigraha of Parthasarathi bears scars supposed to be from the arrows of Bhishma while he acted as the charioteer to Arjuna in the Mahabharata war. There are separate shrines for Ranganatha, Vedavalli, Narsimhar, Varadarajar and Andal. As per Sthala Puranam, Thiruvenkadamudayan promised Sumati Rajan to give darshan as Parthasarathi and had the Vigraha installed by Atreya Maharishi at this shrine. The speciality about Parthasarathi here is that he has a moustache. When we want to worship the Lord here, we can chant Om Brindaranya Vasaya Rukmini Sametaya Parthasaradaye Namaha. Kanchi Swami has linked the last two lines of this Pasuram to Alvar's Thiruvallikeni Padigam's phrases. This is the last of the Pasuram about waking up co-travelers and masters and guides. In the next Pasuram, Goda Devi and her friends reach the palace to meet Krishna. Sharing few of my learnings from the last 10 Pasurams, which are about waking up. Waking up need not mean that someone is lazy. It could also mean that someone is meditating. We want to wake up those who are meditating to guide us, and we want to wake up those who are sleeping to travel along with us. When we want to wake up someone who is lazy, we can still use encouraging words and not demeaning words. We can tell them why we are asking them to wake up. What are the signs that point that it is time for waking up? We can tell them what they will achieve by waking up. We can try our best to wake up someone, even if we have to stop our journey and wait for them. Taking along could make our journey also beautiful. We also need to know how long to wait. If we are pure, unhurried, caring, have the best intentions for the other, and we have a loving approach, the other is bound to wake up at some point or the other. In waking up the other, we are also awakened. The qualities of the destination should not only wake us up, but also make us enthusiastic, knowledgeable, energetic, caring, loving, forgiving, and most importantly, humble. We should know our nature. What are our triggers that make us irritable, angry, sad, lazy, low, helpless, overwhelmed, ignorant, and surround ourselves with those who understand us, care for us, who can pause and wait for us, and most importantly, who can treat us as they are and not look down upon us. I was listening to Guruji Gopalavalli Dasar's Vaalkai Paavai for today's Pasuram. He beautifully shares about the fact that usually when we are sleeping and when we are woken up by our loved ones, we get very upset and irritated. But then we can also see that we were the ones who asked them to wake us up. Or even if we did not, they are asking us to wake up because of the love and care that they have for us. And when we see it, we will immediately realize our mistake and seek forgiveness and talk to them with respect. Today's affirmation is based on the above. May I understand the intent behind my loved one's communication. May I seek forgiveness for my ignorant thoughts, words, and actions. Now let us listen to Pasuram 15. ரஞ்சனி. சரி க மத சா சானித மக சரி க சா சரி க மத சா சானித மக சரி க சா. This is in Mishra Chapu. எல்லே இளங்கிளியே இன்னும் ஊரங்குதியோ சில்லென்றழையேன்மின் நங்கை மீர்போதர்கின்றேன் வல்லே உன் கட்டுரைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயறிதும் வல்லீர்கள் நீங்களே நானே தானாயிடுக ஒல்லை நீ போதாய் உனக்கென்ன வேறுடையை எல்லாரும் போந்தாரோ போந்தார் போந்தெண்ணிக்குள் வல்லானை கொன்றானே மாற்றாரே மாற்றழிக்க வல்லானை மாயனே பாடேலோரும் பவாய் வல்லானை மாயனை வல்லானை மாயனை பாடேலோரும் பவாய். The lesson format. எல்லே இளங்கிளியே இன்னும் ஊரங்குதியோ சில்லென்றழையேன்மின் நங்கை மீர்போதர்கின்றேன் வல்லே உன் கட்டுரைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயறிதும் வல்லீர்கள் நீங்களே நானேதான் ஆயிடுக ஒல்லை நீ போதாய் உனக்கென்ன வேறுடையை எல்லாரும் போந்தாரோ போந்தார் போந்தெண்ணீகொள். வல்லானை கொன்றானே மாற்றாரை மாற்றழிக்க வல்லானை மாயனை பாடேலோரும் பாவாய். जय श्रीमन्नारायण.